Alright, good morning everybody. We have a couple days ago I got the Limp Mode. What's the Limp Mode? You're losing throttle on the motorcycle. I got up in the morning and tried to start the bike so I can go to work, and the idle was not picking up any throttle at all. So I start searching on the internet and everything, and I find out the orders they have. I'm gonna put the text on it. Harley-Davidson made. It's like to put dielectric grease. Where? I'm gonna show you. We'll have to remove the tank again. I have done that before. Alright, but that's gonna be on the part 2. And we're gonna be putting, of course, dielectric grease on the spark plugs also. Okay, we're gonna be putting on that on this connector here. And you see I have also insulated that connector extra from the cables. Was like, you can see them here, and they're getting really hot, and this is one of the problems. And they have made a recall. Harley-Davidson made a recall on these things, or I think they have made a bulletin. I'm going to put the bulletin below on a text so you can read it. But what we're going to be doing is, I have covered this with thermal elastic insulated electrical tape, this piece here, so it won't be away close in a closed environment, away from the elements. Okay, very high heat here. I'm going to be pouring, I'm going to remove this. It's not easy, you have to press on the back of this. Okay, so I have removed that. Now there is 2 more connectors in here. What I'm going to be doing on this one, I'm going to be doing this 2 on a later time, because I have to remove the gas tank. You might be able to do that, removing the air filter, but I would recommend removing the gas tank. I have done that last week. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Dielectric grease. I have dielectric grease from Preventative, but you can find from different companies. Don't get any cheap stuff. And what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be putting some here on the male contacts, okay, and some here on the female contacts. All right, just go all around a little bit. So give it a try. All right, just put a little bit on the top. And I'm gonna go around. It's clear, so you can really see on the video what I'll be doing. Okay, a little bit inside on each one, not too much. I think the important thing is to put around, so to keep dust and humidity away. Alright, this is how it looks like. And I'm going to put it back in. All the way in. Make sure it's secure. Alright, let's do the spark plugs, and then later time I'm going to remove the tank and do these 2. All the connectors that are here, I think there are 2 of them. You should do the same, because this is what the Harley-Davidson direction on the order is. These 3 here. Alright, so on the back it says to put some dielectric grease inside here. Alright, there is there, and some here on the top. And put it this way, put it back. It's like that. Same thing here. A little bit on the metal part inside the female, and cover the top, the head. This is how it looks like. And that's it. Make sure you hear the click. Alright. And the next, of course, the next solution Harley-Davidson recommends is from the models 8. This problem creates, it's from touring bikes or all bikes 2008 to 13. Okay, if you have a newer bike, I don't think you have the silver connectors here. I don't think you have to go through that. So my next step is, after I put the electric grease on these 3 connectors here, 1, 2, 3, and anything else in there, and I will be doing on this one too, and I'm going to be doing the battery poles. I'm going to be doing basically the electric grease on all the connectors on the bike, because this is a 2008. Okay, so the next step is replace these here with the silver pins. Okay, there's a couple of videos on YouTube that you can actually go and look at them, how to replace this with the silver pins that you can buy them on eBay. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe, more to come. Let's keep our bikes running safe and with no problems. Alright.